When I built the shop, we put this grate in to allow us to have some room and provide me an area to get the tractor in and out of. I want to get an awning built off the back of the shop now. As you can see, I've got a lot of stuff stored outside and the tractor lives back here in the winter. In order to put that awning on the shop, I need to break this bank back to the same taper as this and go ahead and lower the ground out here about 8 inches to a foot, which will give me some clearance when I'm driving the tractor in and out once the awning is installed. Well, I got a lot of the dirt moved out of here. Right now, we broke back this bank. I've got probably 20, 25 yards of dirt to move, and I dug out most of this stump. All right, well, it's gonna wrap this one up. This was the major majority of the dirt moving, about 100 yards or so. Came in, moved a bunch of the dirt out, dug around that stump, ended up taking that tree down, Once the tree was on out and the stump was gone, we did the final grade and got the rest of all this dirt graded out. Got approximately the slopes and things we need. When I get ready to put the foundations in for the posts, I will come back with the laser level and shoot in grade and get it a little more accurate so that the water flows off properly. But overall, pretty happy with this. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you got something out of it. Until next time, thanks for watching.